How to create a new Valorant account. First things first, access your preferred web browser. Right now I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Head over to your search bar and type in Valorant. From here, scroll down a little bit and then click on playvalorant.com. This is actually their official website. Now click on play for free. Now, go ahead, and I don't have a right account, create one. Now right here, you just have to make sure that none of these addresses is currently linked to an existing account. For example, you have an old account using your Google Mail, then you don't have or you cannot use it anymore, especially with Facebook. Now all you have to do is to create a Google Mail account first, and then you can go ahead and use that here. You can also use your Apple ID, your Xbox account, and your PlayStation account. Now, once you already have a new account of one of these platforms, that's the time that you can create a new account with Valorant. Just enter that email address here and then check. And then from the next page, you'll have an option to create your username and password. So that's basically it. That's how easy you can change a new or create a new account in Valorant.